Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to change your car's oil. Apologize for my voice as I've been down with allergies the past few days, so please bear with me. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to be changing the oil on my 2001 Toyota Camry. Please note that not all vehicles are the same, so you may need to reference your owner's manual for the most accurate information about your vehicle. Let's get started by inspecting your oil's condition. We can do this by accessing the oil dipstick, which will provide us with a sample of the oil. New oil should be a light yellow, similar to corn or cooking oil. Once the color becomes a dark or burnt caramel, it is time to change your oil. First, we're going to jack up the car, making sure to utilize jack stands for safety. After which, we are going to locate the oil release bolt by looking under the oil pan. This will vary by car, so please consult your owner's manual. After we've located the oil release bolt, we're going to place an adequately sized container under the oil pan. This will catch the falling oil. I used a 14mm socket to remove my bolt. While the old oil drains, we're going to be replacing the oil filter. The oil filter should be near the oil dipstick, but this varies from vehicle to vehicle. For my vehicle, I needed an oil filter removal tool. These can usually be found at your local auto store. You want to place the tool on top of the filter and rotate counterclockwise. Be prepared as it may take some force to undo the oil filter. After the filter is loosened, you can remove it by hand. Using your new motor oil, lubricate your new oil filter with motor oil around the edges. Simply twist your oil filter clockwise, and then tighten with the tool. Now that the new oil filter is installed and the oil has been drained, we can screw the oil release bolt back into the oil pan. Once the oil release bolt is secured, we can now pour in our new motor oil. After filling your vehicle to the proper specifications, you want to recycle your old oil at your local auto store. Finally, we can remove the jack stands and lower the vehicle. Congratulations, you just changed your car's oil. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. I look forward to hearing your feedback. I'll see you guys next time.